We're going to jump around a little bit. We're going to talk just a little bit about, we mentioned solar, and we need solar. We need housing. We want you to contact our brothers, see can we get the solar going. And then our brother got the gold and the diamond. I mean, I remember a plane crashed in Benin about 7 years ago, loaded full of gold, diamond, and everything. There was some Lebanese leaving, getting ready to go back to have a holiday in Lebanon, and the plane crashed in the ocean, killed all of them. They was taking a lot of gold and stuff out of here. And I said, man, the Holy Ghost is really moving. Because see, we got to control our own gold and diamond. So our brother got the gold, diamond for export to the U.S., Europe. He also have food stuff like myself. He got gari, and he got other types of food stuff, groundnut paste, oil palm. Let me share something with you. The Ghana government and most African countries has, under the Agora Business Treaty, you can actually send things and you can bring stuff into the States duty-free, okay? And you only pay $50 to clear, okay? And you can even charge it on Delta Airlines on your charge card. You can get tons of stuff from here, have it shipped directly to your airport, and go over there and talk to the people and contact some of the people that I know. You can clear it for $50. Tons of stuff, except the gold now. I mean, he ain't gonna just let you bring that gold in there like that. So you gotta know how to do that. But food stuff, shea butter. Our brother has shea butter. Brother Bright, would you please stand? Brother Bright has shea butter and other products too. I'm gonna pass Brother Bright pictures around. Take a look at what Brother Bright is doing. He's in the dictionary. We got this business dictionary of all these brothers and sisters. Dr. Sari, he's going to come with what he got. I got the moringa, and moringa is a superfood. Brother Walik's in the house. Yes. So we passing pictures around. Brother Bright came all the way from the north just to be with me. He called me and said, David, I'm coming. And the north is quite a distance. So again, we want you to start trading with Africa when you go back to the States. Don't go to, what's those supermarkets in America? When I was Walmart. Don't go to Walmart, Don't go to, they had one in the South, Piggly Wiggly. Please don't go to Piggly Wiggly. I mean, that doesn't even sound right. Piggly Wiggly. You understand? Walmart, Kmart. Don't go there. Let's come and let's start our own food co-op. If you look on my flyer, you will see a number in Michigan, okay? If you look on my flyer, Brother Tony, I met him about 10 years in Ghana. He imported the moringa to Michigan for distributing in the States. Call him when you get back, and he can assist you in getting other products into your city. Dr. Sabi, how many know Dr. Sabi? Raise your hand. 1, 2. Dr. Sabi is originally, I think, from one of the, I think it's from the Caribbean. Honduras. He always teaches people, when he's teaching and lecturing, he said, always eat your food from Africa. He said the reason why we're suffering in America and the West is because we don't eat food from Africa. So start to eat more food from, you can eat shea butter. How many knew that? That you can eat shea butter?
Another recipe in my book.
He's going to tell you about the shea butter. You can eat shea butter. Okay? That's an investment in yourself. Pawpaw, pineapples. You can dehydrate the pineapple. We can ship the dried pineapples. You have the trail mix. I mean, we can go on and on and on. A lot of things are in my book. Okay? So we got gold concessions. We have, you're putting on silence, please. There you go. We have various types of products. We have to wear clothing. Let's not wear what we call J clothes, or clown clothes. Let us not wear the clown clothes anymore. Okay? Let us wear African royal clothes 24/7. I mean, when I travel all over the world, I travel like this. When I go to America, I'm traveling like this. When I go to so-called, when I go to visit my people in Dimona, Israel, I travel through the airport like this. Because the blacks from America have gone into Israel and we've taken the Holy Land. The Most High has given the Holy Land back. And them Jews can't do nothing about it. Why? Because our time has come.
Yes.
Our time has come and nothing can stop us. Ain't no stopping us now. McFadden Whitehead said it then, and I'm saying it now. Ain't no stopping us now. We're on the move.
That's right.
So, again, we're putting this directory together. We want you to continue to stay focused on the true wealth, because everybody's coming to Africa now trying to get a piece of the rock. If you saw the movie 2012, Africa was the only place that survived. Am I right or wrong, those that saw the movie? Africa will survive. They had a song a few years back. I tell my partner, my Nigerian partner, BJ, Nigeria will survive, or my people will survive. A great song. We will survive because we're the survivors. But we gotta keep at least one foot in Africa and a plane ticket so that we can, you never know when it will blow.
That's right.
But it will blow. Because it's written in the scriptures that only by blood the earth can only be purified by the blood of those that put the blood in the earth. In other words, if someone shed our blood, their blood has to be shed before the earth can be happy.
Right.
That's a law that's written into the Torah and the ancient writings. So the blood has to be, their blood has to be shed in order for the thing to be purified. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, so they're not going to get away. So we're going to move full speed ahead. We're going to allow Dr. Sari to say what's on his heart, because see, I met Dr. Sari when I was doing my annual health festival in 2005. I had a vision that I wasn't going to allow my people to be sick, because I was taught to be a vegetarian, live food eater 30 years ago. I started fasting over 30 years ago, and I'm pushing 100 years, and I'm strong and super strong. And when one of my daughters said, "Daddy, you're getting old," I have to laugh at her and let her know that your daddy is not getting old. I'm getting younger and stronger, and I'm healthy. I'm thankful for that. It's a blessing to be able to love your woman at the age that I am, the tender age. Okay, to be able to embrace and not worry about prostate that doesn't allow you to get an erection. Prostate cancer doesn't allow a man to get an erection. I can't imagine what it would be like without getting an erection. So I cannot eat barbecue, because barbecue is something that helps the black man to get prostate. Coca-Cola. I can't afford that. So I started the health fest and I met the doctor. And the doctor never said no. We went from Accra to Kumasi. From Kumasi to Cape Coast. We did the health fest everywhere. And Dr. Sari stood with me. And he lectured. And he said, "David, I will never let you down. Whatever you're doing in terms of for Africa, I feel you. And without further ado, I would like to bring my